Memola, Tudor, Stipica, Juranovic, Nižić, Vlašić, Hamza. Hi, my name is Daniela and I'm a Hajduk addict. Hajduk is in every Dalmatians DNA. You are born a Hajduk fan, you are raised a Hajduk fan, you will die a Hajduk fan, and everybody in the city of Split completely lives for this club. Hajduk is a way of life. It means everything. Till the day you die in your grave, until you're resurrected, you are a Hajduk fan. There's graffiti everywhere. You can't escape it, and that's being a Hajduk fan, is that it's in your blood, and it is a truly beautiful thing.
Born and raised in America, right?
Born and raised in America.
So, who got you interested in Hajduk?
My father would find ways to tune into the Croatian radio stations to listen to Hajduk matches. It was always in my blood, and moving to Split didn't really help. And it was funny too, because growing up people used to ask me, oh, what football club do you support? And I'd always say Hajduk Split. You know, they're like, oh, why don't you support Real Madrid, or why don't you support Liverpool, or this or that? For me, it was like, no, because my blood is here, everything is here. There's, like I said, the energy about being a Hajduk fan, about going to these games, about stepping into Poljud. You can't get anything else like that. It's truly, truly special. I've been to a lot of football matches in my life. You don't experience anything like you do at Poljud Stadium. There's something about it that is intoxicating. That camaraderie that you feel when you're in Poljud, there's nothing like it. Okay, I have not joined Torcida. I've thought about it. I have thought about it. I did sit with them once. They started in 1950. They're known as the oldest organized fan group in Europe. Torcida is something so special. If you're a Hajduk fan and you feel like you can do anything, like, I honestly would not want to be a fan of any other football club. I'm a bieli ale! I'm a bieli ale!